Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again, and today we are building a budget gaming PC from used parts. As you can see here, I'm starting with this Dell t3610 workstation. I ordered this online, used, really cheap, and I had an extra processor to throw in it, so it gets a little bit of a performance bump too. Alright, let's crack this open and see what's in there. As you can see here, there's scuffs all over the casing, but that's because it's a used PC, and it probably lived in a business application before this. But they clean them up really nice inside and get them ready to go and give you a warranty, so, great PC for the money. Since I got this as a pretty basic build, it came with this really low-end 512 megabyte NVIDIA graphics card. Technically it's an upgrade because the site said it was just going to be a generic 128 meg. But since this is a workstation, it can take a Xeon CPU and 8 sticks of RAM. It originally came with 2 sticks of RAM. I put another 2 sticks in it, so we have a total of 16 gig, which is all the RAM I'm going to need for most of the applications that I'm going to be doing with this PC. For right now, we're going to do a little upgrade. We're going to this old Radeon R9 270 card. Bit better than that NVIDIA one, but a little bit thirstier on the power consumption. But we'll just click that in there. It drops in fairly easily, and we'll get going on that. It also looks like we're going to have to modify or just get rid of the side case cover, because in Dell's infinite wisdom, they built it so the edge of the graphics card on a full-size card here bumps up against this piece of mechanism to open the side case, and it just doesn't fit. It just doesn't work right. Since we're on the workbench here, we're just going to add a quick wireless dongle. That way we can get it up and running, get all the Windows updates and everything ready, and have the computer all set up to go. Alright, let's power it up and see how she runs. We currently have a Xeon E5 2660 installed, and it was a cheap upgrade from the very base model. This one is a 8-core, 16-thread at like 2.2 gigahertz, I believe, 2.3 gigahertz. But we're going to upgrade this in the next video because I have a processor that's been sitting on my desk for a couple of months. Now, what most of my viewers probably want to know is, how well does this cheap system mine coins? On this processor, I'm getting about 25 kilohashes on curve hash algorithm, and that's for mining Pulsar coin. And the Raptorium hashes sit around about 600 to about 650 hashes, but I'm expecting a bit of a performance bump when we throw in the new processor. With a total build cost of about $250 and a 30-day warranty on most of the items, it's a really good computer that does most applications. It won't do it the fastest, but pretty good computer. I'd like to thank a bunch of people in the Raptorium and cryptocurrency community. With my donation drive, we were able to build this machine, and we're going to build another, much stronger machine later down the road. That's all I have for you guys today. Build stuff, have fun, and stay subscribed so you can see the upgrades and build progress on this computer.